Well, welcome to my scrapbooking corner. I'm not here with another layout and more mixed media. I was just in a mixed media kind of mood, I guess. I was feeling very creative. No, so this one I'm going to use some cardstock as my photo mat because it's a scrap and I wanted to use it. No, Max, I locked you in here for a reason. So my background is white basil cardstock, and I did some gesso with a stencil to give it texture, and then did use my ink pads. No, Max. And this I'm going to use the rest of the clear acetate, I forget what they call them. They look like flowers, but that's not what they call them. They call them something else. Anyway, and so, and remember that stripe layout where I cut triangles out of the striped pattern? Here we go. That was the leftover pieces I kept on purpose because I wanted to do it. I knew I wanted to do this. So here's where I'm putting this stuff around in a circle, and then I want to embellish. And with my head, I had to have a lot of stuff I do in a pattern, so I didn't have enough, but I wanted to do 3 colors and then a black, 3 colored ones and a black, but I ended up doing where there's 3, and I said I'll do cloth flowers and then a black, and then cloth flowers and a colored and a black, and then I did cloth flowers and then 2 coloreds and a black. So they're still not perfect, but it's still... And at first I didn't. I was just kind of frustrated because I'm like, no, this is ugly, I don't like it. But a lot of times I feel that, and then when I see it a day or 2 later, or even hours later, if I happen to come back in my scrapbook room and I see it, then I'm like, oh, you know what, it's not so bad. What, Max? Is that you, Max? Or is that you, Reese? Anyway, so and those are all from Flourish, and the die cuts are from Flourish. The wood veneer that I'm going to use are Flourish. And the only thing that's not is my title. I'm going to use the chipboard phrases from is it June Kit, and I use Summer Adventure, and they're really big titles. Hey, Max, stay in there, can't you, big guy? Just for a spell. I'm almost done. No promise. What do you want to eat? I'm not getting on my island over here to get kitty food. Oh, my blankie fell off my chair. You see that? My blankie fell off? And now I'm just going to embellish around different areas around the circle. And then once I put my title on, that's all I do. I don't remember if I do ink splatters or not. Some I do, some I don't. And then I forgot I used, no, I think I take the wooden buttons off because it ends up being too much. Yeah, I decided, no, that's too much because with that, everything around in that circle, those wooden buttons that were left over from, well done, many kids ago. Here, look. A little blankie. I'm not going to see what it is. I'll just leave my door open. And that completes my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching. Bye.